Good evening, comrades. This is teacher Samuel from Rural Students Learning Computer in Uganda, coming to you live on our online classes. So you follow our links on YouTube, Facebook page, Twitter, and WhatsApp, and you can call us on our office line as you see here. So our lesson today, as usual, I promise to give you a class each day. So our lesson today is all about access. Last time we learned about how to create access or database in Microsoft Office Access. So today last time we learned how to put data, how to create a primary table, how to enter data in the table from the primary table to the secondary table. So now today, our lesson today, we are learning how to create a query. First of all, what is a query? A query is an object in database that is used to request for a specific type of data from a table or a collection of tables. So our query today, we are going to create a query of specific data. For example, I have my names, the first name and the last name. I have names with the letter A, names with the letter A being the last. So I'm going to request for data. That is what I'm calling a query. I'm going to design a query of data with names, last names, which are lasting with the A. So here we go. I'm going to go, I click on create, then you go to want query. So you click query design. After clicking there is here table 1. My table is here already saved. I say add. After adding, I close. After closing, I come and double click on the title table 1. After clicking, I hold left click, then I drag my content up to field. I release. So under last name, I'm going to sort data with names lasting with A. So what I do, I press shift star, that is shift and number 9. I put the letter, for example, I want A, small a. So there I will say run. There you see my data. This is my query with all the last names ending with the letter A. So that is what we call a query. Let's look at another query. For example, I want to look at a query let me check table 1. A query for those from Kakira, and their residence is Kakira. I want to request for a query, so I come to create and click query design. I say add, as we said, I close. So I double click table 1, then I come and put a drag up to here. I want residents, those from Kakira. I just write Kakira, and that is enough. I say run. So you see all my people with their residence in Kakira. That's all about query. So today, in addition to that, we want to learn how to create forms using my table 1, my content here. I'm going to create a form. So I go and click create, then I go to form design. After form design, I come and click on existing fields. This is existing fields. See? I click existing fields like that. So I say show all tables, and here my table 1 is here. I double click. When I double click, I see all the fields inside. I have employee ID. I double click. First name, I double click. Last name, I double click. Date of birth, I double click, and lastly by residence. So there I say this is my form already. I save. Just Ctrl S. I can save as my form. Then I say okay. Automatically I will see my form this way. I double click, and my form opens with a number of people. And I click next here. I see the next person, and next person like that. Without wasting time, let's go to a report. We are going to create a report, a simple report, or what we refer as to mini reports.